Mercedes-Benz India has officially kickstarted its new direct-to-customer sales model, Retail of the Future, in the country. The new retail initiative aims to bring more transparency between the company and the customer, along with the automaker's franchisee partners. Under Retail of the Future, the brand will directly sell its cars to customers, while its dealerships will deliver the cars while ensuring servicing and other deliverables. Customers can expect unified offers and benefits irrespective of the dealer they choose, while the dealer does not bear the burden of buying vehicles in bulk. The service and used car part of the business will continue to remain with the dealerships.
New model is fully designed to get transparency in. We give the full visibility of stock, of price, also the best price for every customer. So it's fully customizable in that sense. And also we have taken away some of the things like, for example, handling charges, incidental charges. These were all plaguing the industry. And we said that if we don't remove these, we will not be fair. So with this new model, we are able to, one, invoice directly to the customer, and at the same time take away some of these pain points, be as transparent with the customer. So that's in a nutshell the genesis of coming with the Retail of the Future. But the Retail of the Future in our case is today, because we have already launched it now and it's no longer future for us.
The 2022 Hyundai Creta facelift has been teased for the Indonesian market ahead of its public debut. The new Creta is heavily inspired from the Tucson sold internationally and gets a bold new grille with integrated LED DRLs, new headlamps and revised tail lights. For those still divided on the current Creta's looks, the new model will be radically different and quite pleasing too. The Creta facelift will also arrive in India sometime next year and is likely to carry over the existing engine options. Expect a few more features as well as increment in pricing when the model arrives. The Audi Q5 facelift has been unveiled in India and will be launched in the days to come. The new Q5 facelift arrives with a revised grille, new headlamps, bumpers, and an updated interior with a dual-tone cabin. The model will be powered by a 2-litre TFSI petrol engine tuned for 247 brake horsepower and 370 Nm of peak torque. The motor will be paired with a 7-speed S-Tronic automatic transmission and will get Quattro all-wheel drive as standard. The new Q5 will also come with the Audi Virtual Cockpit, wireless charging, updated Audi MMI, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, and lots more. More details on the Q5 facelift will be available at the launch in a few days from now.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.